Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome, biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Kelsi, and I'm here for you guys every Sunday and Wednesday and Friday and sometimes Saturday to talk about my VSG journey and other things. It's my hope that through these videos, you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. Hello, you guys, and welcome back. What are we being welcomed back to? You said it. Hang on. Gotta clear the pipes. It's been a very long time. You ready? Weigh-in Wednesday. Welcome back to another Weigh-in Wednesday video. The first one of 2022. Wow. I'm so excited to be doing these videos again. I had taken a break from them back in 21 just because of the mental anguish they had caused me, because I put so much concentration on losing that weight and popping up every week with another pound or 2 or 3 lost. But I've worked through that issue and I'm ready to give you guys the content that keeps on giving. Weigh-in Wednesday. Now, typically on Weigh-in Wednesdays, if you are new here, we will sit down, talk about a topic that's heavy on my brain, and we'll also do a weigh-in. The only thing about this one is it's going to be a little different. No weigh-in this week. But hold on. There's a reason. As you can tell from the title of this video, the content that I am putting out this week is very special. In 2.5 weeks, I will be hitting my 1-year mark post-op of my gastric sleeve. Can you believe it? Almost 365 days ago, I had the surgery that changed my life. And maybe I could have waited until February 5th to post this video, but I was just so excited to get it out because my significant other came up with the idea. He was like, you have people that are coming to your channel that are new, that are only seeing you as you are now. Why don't you show them who you were before your surgery? And I was like, you know what? You are so smart. So I've compiled a video of photographs that I've taken of myself throughout my journey. If there is any advice that I can give you guys when you're working through your journey or you're going through your post-op life, take pictures. Take as many pictures as you can. It doesn't matter if you are full body, half body, face, whatever. Take pictures of yourself at least once a week. I guess as I have become more comfortable with myself, I now take full body pictures because I want to be seen. There was a time before the surgery that I was just like, I would hide behind a building. I would hide behind a child. I would be in the car with only my head and shoulders showing. That's it. You weren't getting a full body picture. It would take forever for me to get the perfect picture. Now, don't get me wrong. It still takes a lot of time to get the perfect picture now, but for different reasons. My face might look funny, or my hair is in the way, or just weird stuff. But now, I feel so much more comfortable. I feel so much more confident in my body, and I take more pictures. So throughout the process of me losing weight, I have been able to document that, kind of unknowingly, because I just really like taking pictures now, full body pictures. And, anybody who knows me knows that before my surgery, I was either covered up with a scarf or hiding behind someone, or I really only took pictures from about this underneath my boobs and up. And sometimes you didn't even get that far, just depending on how I was feeling. So a lot of it, was just head and shoulders. And I was just really uncomfortable with myself, really uncomfortable with my body, really uncomfortable with who and how I looked and who I was. I'm sorry if I'm breathing. I don't know why I'm breathing like that. Why am I breathing like that? I'm just so excited to bring this video to you guys. But anyways, nonetheless, I'm really excited to give this to you guys. This is my gift to anybody who's been on this journey with me, or anybody who's coming into it now and you just know me as a Kelsi that's lost 100 pounds. But I kind of wanted to show you what it looks like to lose 100 pounds. Compiling these pictures, looking at these pictures, putting these together, I became so emotional because, believe it or not, 100 pounds is such a milestone. you know, you live in such a bubble that you kind of don't realize how big you are. And never in a million years, I look at, even on the days when I thought I was a skinny legend, I had lost 10 pounds doing keto or whatever, and I thought I was at the smallest, and I was just out there, confidence up to the ceiling. And I look at those pictures now. Now, don't get me wrong, I was still beautiful. I mean, like, your girl can dress. I've always been able to dress. I've always been a beautiful individual. But I was very, very, very heavy. And what I saw in the mirror was definitely someone who was heavy, but not as heavy as I actually was. And so I look at those pictures now, and I'm just so thankful that I made the decision to have the surgery. I'm so thankful that I chose my life over anything else. But anyways, without further ado, I'm not going to talk you guys to death. Just want to leave you guys with this again. Take pictures. Take pictures, take pictures, take pictures. As many pictures as you can. You can never have enough pictures. I'm telling you. Because when you go back and you look at those pictures again, you're going to be like, woo, child. Like, wow. Like, for me, luckily I have my YouTube videos that I can actually go back and look at. And that was one of the things that I wanted my YouTube videos for. I actually have a video encapsulating what I was a year ago. And me and my significant other were watching it the other night, and we were just like, geez. And, for him now, he'll say things like, I don't even remember what you looked like when you were at your heaviest because all I see is you now. So it's interesting to him. It's interesting to me. It's kind of like humbling because I carried around to know that I've lost 100+ pounds. I'm telling you, ain't nothing better than that. There's nothing better. Chef's kiss. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get into the video that I prepared for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys, can see the progression of my weight loss. It does start out It starts out 2 years prior to my surgery up to last weekend. So up to very present, you guys are getting the full Monty. I am going to give you my specs. My starting weight was 330 pounds. That's my highest weight. That was also my surgery weight. My goal weight is 170 pounds, and my current weight is 222 pounds. So that is a 108-pound loss. And I am just ecstatic. Every day, I'm so thankful. Every day, I am just so, excited about what my journey has in store for me. And I hope that you guys are able to take a little bit of that excitement from me, a little bit of that happiness from me. And I hope that if you're on the fence about choosing whether or not to have, surgical weight loss, that this is one of the things that helps you decide. I love you guys so, so much. If you haven't and you would like to be, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Come on in, baby. I would love to have you here. Also, if you haven't and you would like to, please make sure to join my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things in regards to weight loss surgery and other things. All right, I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
that you choose hope, anything is possible.